literally just drove to the PCH and back because there's too many cops. There was like, what, 8 of them? We counted like 7 or 8 of them. So dumb. But they have to be doing something because there's a huge camera crew there. Big ass trailer in the front. No!
They probably have horses.
I'm gonna like stay like right here. Give it like.
Give it a couple.
Give it like a couple minutes.
Organic solutions. Berries. Oh, I thought it's a cilantro.
Right? That's his response for everything.
Yeah.
We caught up to
yeah, we caught up to a trailer?
Yeah.
That was fast. Oh, yeah.
That Corvette's not behind us anymore.
No, there's a Corvette?
Yeah.
What?
cars that come down, that'd be great. That way you can go down right away.
Yeah.
My God. The Civic SI's weakness.
Oh, going slow, huh?
Uphill. Shut up, I lost you in the canyons. Corvette. And that was in the small strip too.
I'm gonna record this, even though my camera's terrible, but it's worth it. Oh my God.
I never go hard here because of how, like, how steep it is, because I don't have the best brakes going downhill.
But still.
They're good, but they're not like, and then sometimes cars just take way too much of a wide turn here.
Yeah.
That's why I learned I avoided a collision like not that long ago here.
What?
Off camera, yeah.
Oh
We're not even going that fast, dude.
I know, I like it though, it's fun. This really does feel like Heartland though, not gonna lie.
late, but
nah.
Don't ever do this by yourself. We already caught up to the car in front of us, that Civic in front.
Oh, that stock one?
Yep.
Oh my god. Already? Damn. Where you go? There he is.
They'd be like, wait, weren't you just going uphill?
Flag.
Like, yeah, motherfucker. Alright, I'm gonna ease off the brakes. They're starting to get a little mushy.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're getting mushy. Alright, back to chill driving. What?
How was that?
I love doing that.
Dude, that's so fun.
I love doing this. If I one thing that I do like about where I work is I can take this route to work and back every day if I wanted to.
For real?
Yeah, so when I get out early enough from work, I will take that route and I just like practice every now and then. Like, I want to say obviously the first time I started driving this,
yeah, I
was scared. I was like, I'm not gonna go that fast. And to a lot of people, I'm not really going that fast. But like a little Miata. Yeah, I want to take you to the track one day. Maybe when
where's the track?
The Ruthless Racing comes here once or twice a year in Camber Airport.
Let me know.
And just so that you guys are aware, Ruthless Racing, it's more of a time attack autocross in the airport here in Camarillo. Look them up on Instagram, Ruthless Racing. They haven't done one. They did one earlier this year. They haven't done one towards the end of the year yet. Sometimes they do 2 a year, sometimes they do one. It just depends on how many people register for it or how popular it is. You know, the higher demand, the more they'll do it. But it's fun because you see a lot of different cars there. So I'm definitely going to be doing that this year if it comes the next time there's an opportunity for me to do it. So that's going to be something you guys want to keep an eye out for. And it's funny because all my videos, this is the canyon I take. So whenever everybody asks, what canyon do you take on your videos? It's this one right here. It's the one behind CSUC. You see SUCI and between Camarillo and Oxnard. Like Cal State, Channel Island University?
Yeah.
That's the thing I like about Civics. Like, I don't know how soon. Like, Hector really wants my car. He said, dude, I'll take it off your hands. Let me save up and I'll buy it off of you. That way I can get something else. Yeah. And that's why, like, I've been looking at, like,
that's why you've been looking at
I've been looking at 370s. That's for a reason, because, like, they're nice. I like 370s. My original goal was to pick up, like, a 350 or an FRS on the side. And then eventually, like, graduate to an S2K. Because S2Ks, the ones that I want, are like 20 grand. And if I'm going to get an S2K, I'd rather just get a 370 for that same price with more power and more out of the box.
Yeah. 370 does look nice.
I want to look into a different, like, car brand. That's what I like. Like, I'm not gonna stick with Hondas forever, dude. Yeah. Like, I wanna research.
Still, you know?
Well, that's besides the point. Like, I tried it, I like it. If I ever leave it, I'm definitely gonna come back. I just don't know when. But like, because of where we live, because you know where we live, it's just not. Yeah. It's not worth having two cars.
No, it's not.
At least for one person. Like, yeah, me and Maya have one car each, but that's one car each. We already have our 2 parking spaces. Editing the video right now, and I just realized that I didn't really end the video, so kind of want to just say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's cool. I swear my dog's a cat half the time. Anyways, guys, main part of the video was because we were supposed to go driving so that she can practice stick shift, because she really wants to get a Miata, as you guys can see from the video. But there was too many cars involved, and there was too many cars, too much traffic, and we kind of forgot that on a Monday. And where I usually go, we go to like a warehouse or a parking lot, and it's usually an empty lot. So instead of just calling it quits, I decided, hey, let's just go to the canyons, let's do a little cruise, and that way you can kind of feel, and we can just do another video instead. Okay, sure. She ended up loving it. Gonna be doing the driving video sometime this week or next week. That way we can get you guys some more content, because I know you guys really liked that last video of her driving my car for the first time. Now that it has a different clutch, a little bit more mods, it should be a completely different car to her, and we will see you guys in another video. Anyways, thank you guys for liking the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. It really does help your boy out. We're about to hit 12,000 subscribers. That's really cool. I really do appreciate it from you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.